just had a meeting with some of the biggest influencers and I've just sealed a deal with ABM para ma-expand yung distribution ng upcoming Angel Collection ng P&L. And, that way, kahit hindi pa lumalabas yung collection, para makakreate tayo ng buzz, building anticipation and drama before it's released.
Bakit mo sa akin sinasabi to? Clearly, this could have been an email. At kung magre-report ka, report to Lorena. Siya ang direct superior mo, hindi ako.
Because I want you to understand na gagawin ko ang lahat, not just to restore my name and reputation in this company, but to rebuild your trust in me. Gusto ko mapagkatiwalaan niyo ako ni Lorena ulit. Alam ko naman na hindi niyo ko kaagad-agad mapapatawad ni Lorena eh. I am fully aware of my sins, but kaya kahit gaano pa yun katagal, okay lang sa akin, maghihintay ako, basta patawarin niyo lang ako.
Patawarin? You want me to forgive you? Well, don't do this. Don't come into my office trying to impress me. Kung may gana kang mag-report sa akin, do it to Lorena. As I've said, siya ang boss mo, hindi ako.
I'll do that soon. It's just that wala pa si Lorena, kaya dito na muna ako sa'yo. And also, Wilfred, I'm trying to bridge the gap between us. Para hindi naman tayo awkward as friends.
Ronnie, we are no longer friends, okay?
Buti pa si Lorena, binigyan ako ng chance. Pero ikaw, na mismong kaibigan ko, tsaka kakilala ko na
Ronnie, huwag ka nga magdrama sa akin. Come here, nagpapaawa ka pa. Sinira mo yung tiwala ko sa'yo, hindi basta-basta babalik yun. So if you have nothing more to say, please, get out of my office. Dami pang trabaho eh.
Here you are, crucifying me, not knowing na mas marami pa sa garbage dump yung asawa mo. Alam mo lang, mas sisirain ni Lorena yung tiwala mo.
You're still here?